Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. And guys, I want us to speak about something that they touched on the episode of the Bala family between Uzwai and Upelo. Now, let me just try and narrate what I believe happened between Uzwai and Upelo about the song thing. Zwei took over a song that both him and Upelo made. And he decided to put it on TV without making Upelo sign or anything like that. So it looks like obviously when Upelo saw his song or the song playing on TV, I don't know if it was Pelo's song or both of their song, but I have a feeling it's both of their song. That's why his wife felt he could do that. Upelo got angry and he basically wrote that SMS to Uzwai telling him ba ukhohlakele, telling him he's evil and all of that. So now that Upelo, I guess Pelo was still he was still on substances by then. But now when Uzwai is asking Upelo, like, what did you mean by that SMS? Upelo all of a sudden does not remember. I don't know whether I must believe it. Uti, he doesn't remember a single thing. Uti, why wouldn't he? I don't believe that, you guys, that Upelo could not even say a single word or answer a single word to why he could have possibly wrote that message, because he said he tried and think with you, why would he have wrote that message and nothing is coming. But I also feel like Uzwai is also acting a bit naive, because if Uzwai was in the shoes of Upelo, he would also feel the same. Now, guys, when it comes to things of television, I have a feeling, I don't know, I stand to be corrected, that Uzwai got paid for playing that song on TV. I mean, production can't just take anyone's song without permission and then play people's songs in Jeganjan. Knowing how business minded Uzwai is, I have a feeling that, maybe I have a feeling that there was a payment for the song, or maybe they put it together towards the family payment and everyone got a share out of it, something like that. But even if everyone got a share out of it, it wouldn't be fair because it is still Pelo's song. Do you understand what I'm saying? So the people who would be entitled to get the biggest share out of that song would be Upelo and Uzwai. So Uzwai, when Zwei is saying ba Upelo umqhelakabi and all of that, I just feel like Zwei sometimes, I don't know, he's got your bully type of tendencies. But there's something, guys, that I don't get about Upelo. Why is Pelo like this? Sometimes when I look at Upelo, Pelo frustrates me, guys. The reason why he frustrates me is because it's like he doesn't know how to talk for himself. And it's like he allows his siblings to overstep him and to walk over him. Let's start over with the house thing. When it came to buying the house and talking about the house, are we aware that the only person who was possibly thinking for Upelo whether he'll be able to afford that house or not was Uloyiso? Only Uloyiso. Because Loyiso was like, have we ever thought, Uti, how is Pelo going to, is Pelo even going to be able to afford that house? Upelo's young, you guys, maybe there's things he wants to do with his life. So they didn't even ask him, they just assuming ba Upelo, with the money he gets, once he joins back the Bala brothers, he wants to take a good 13,000-14,000 and contribute it towards a house that they are even saying is going to be dedicated to the Bala, to the father of the Bala family or something like that, which automatically excludes Upelo. But Pelo didn't say anything. He kept quiet. Instead, he has somewhat of a conversation with his mother. He keeps quiet. Maybe it's that his siblings overpower him. Maybe their personalities overpower him, and that's why he just keeps quiet. But I don't understand, why would you just keep quiet in Jeganjalo? Even when they were talking about that song thing, I am saying that I don't believe Utupelo did not remember anything. Even if you don't remember anything, you guys, like, just number one, like, I'm not in his shoes, but I can already reason out that if I would write a SMS, or if someone would write an SMS like that, it only makes sense that the person was angry for the fact that um the brother did not run through anything past him to sign at least, or something like that. But he's sitting there saying that he doesn't ankumbuli into puti, like, I don't remember anything. I'm just like, Pelo, that was your opportunity to even voice out the way the song was done, the way your brother did things. But Upelo, I feel like he sweeps almost everything with his siblings underneath the carpet. Yes, Uzwai and Upinki, they like acting like the parents, and they like treating like Uloiso and Upelo as if they're kids. But for as long as Upelo continues to behave like this, guys, they're going to continue to treat him as if he's got no say, he's got no opinion. Are we aware that Upelo, guys, is 33 years old? Pelo is not young. So for you to be 33 years old and to always be keeping quiet, ngathi wena not saying, ngathi wena you an outsider. I mean, at this point, I feel like Uchen has more of an opinion in that family. She feels much. Uchen would definitely speak up if something like that was done, and she is married into the family. Yet, Upelo, he's a brother there, and yet he just keeps quiet. Yo, guys, that thing frustrates me. But then again, I also want to sympathize that abanye abantu, their personalities, guys, they just don't know how to talk. Like, when there's a lot of people, or when there's someone who talks too much, like, it overwhelms them, and they don't like in their fights, or in their nkulumo, or things that have a lot of talks too much. They just keep quiet. But I am worried for Upelo, because I'm just like, should there be any sort of disputes? Let's just say disputes when it comes to family, money, or anything like that. Or you're Dala, because who's gonna fight for him? The only person who could possibly fight for him is Uloiso. But remember, Uloiso, guys, has his own family to deal with. So Upelo needs to, I know it's gonna sound a bit harsh, he needs to grow up. And growing up, I mean that Mela Awaz was Mela and talk for himself. This thing of him just keep him quiet whenever his siblings are saying something. At least Noiso is quiet, you guys, but he knows how to sometimes voice out his opinion without sounding disrespectful. Just the way he was saying to Uzwai, what makes things different now that we are taking up this gig, whereas before we were not taking up gigs? That is talking out. You being respectful to your brother, but you still want honest. You want to have an honest conversation. Uphela vela athule, guys. Athule. Hi, guys. I feel sorry for him. I feel sorry for him, and I'm just like, if anything has to happen to Mama V, I don't know what's going to happen of Upelo. And I'm worried about him as a person, because I'm just like, he's not 14 years old, he's 33 years old. Anyway, guys, tell me if you have noticed this thing of Upelo just acting sheepish and allowing his siblings to walk over him. Is this him in season one? Abanye abantu were like, because he was on substance abuse, that's where he was getting the boldness from. Now that he's clean, I don't know, but he needs to work on it. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.